For today's vlog, I'm going to show you all my standing frame. When I start traveling here in 2 months, the standing frame is going to be important for me to have. As a paraplegic, you want to be standing for a good half hour. Some people, I've even heard 2 hours a day, but it's good for the joints and the muscles and straighten my back out. Good for my digestive system too, to get stretched out and some gravity running through my stomach. So I'll show you all the standing frame without me in it right now, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. There's Nora down there chewing on something. Hey Nora. So yeah, this one's a wooden contraption that I built myself, but I have had metal ones in the past, so it's really simple. My knees will lock into that gray, right there, the gray nerve area. And then I will use the bars, these 2 metal bars, to lift myself up. I'll set my book up there, and that's where I'll grab on with my hands. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down now and see if I can't videotape myself getting up in the standing frame. So this is where I line my feet up, make sure basically that I'm not going to be hyperextending my knees, that everything's straight and even and looks like a comfortable stand as best I can tell. I'll do a little last adjustment, pull myself up, and make sure my pants are going to stay on. Good book. Open to where I was last at. Come here. Jump up here. Jump up here. Come on. Right. Alright, so that is the standing frame. Obviously I won't be traveling with this standing frame, but over the next couple of weeks, once I get my car back from the mechanic, I'm going to work on having a standing frame designed for the trailer hitch. So I will keep you all updated with videos of that and the progress I make there. Alright.